Guys, welcome to 20th April, Monday. Mondays, which we had been yearning for काफी time से कि Mondays be like आराम से उठो and आराम से काम करो. There's something similar happening here. I'll just show you around. यहाँ पे village life is slightly better in quarantine these days. I don't know how much you can see, but it's overcast. थोड़ा बादल है and this is toward this side. What you can see is one of the peak I can show you here. I think if you can see peak here, you can see it here. You can see here. So this is I think Shali Diba. यहाँ पे मंदिर है और काफ़ी लोग जाते हैं. It's one day trek and these are few things. I mean like backyard things. यहाँ पे मैं कभी गया नहीं हूँ, but let's see sooner or later. गाइस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा विंडी है बाहर. Maybe I'll have to go inside क्योंकि फिर आवाज़ there might be some issue with voice. So I'm back in my room. बाहर ठंड बहुत है, हवा बहुत चल रही है, तूफान, आवाज़ भी बहुत आ रही है थी. So anyways, महीना हो गया है लॉकडाउन को. It's almost a month now. So people have done whatever they could have done their best to stay at home and to do whatever they couldn't do otherwise, like cooking, like music, a few other things, which is good actually to be here. They are getting self-dependent now. Even I am, if I have to say, I have evolved in a lot of many ways, So, but apart from that, I was seeing few people like who are going out to play cricket or some other games, या कोई और get together कर रहे हैं. Guys, it's a humble request again. क्योंकि as they say in army, until the war is over, you don't have to lose the guard. So we are still not at that stage where we can lose our guard. We need to do what we need to do. So guys, please take care of yourself and people around you. And because we all have responsibilities on us right now. लोगों को लगता है कि यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. We are not in hotspot region, so we can do whatever they want. So which is not correct. We all know what happened during Tablighi and few other events in India. So coming back to what thumbnail suggests is like travel sector, because I myself is a huge travel fan while I was in corporate, and apart from that, while I was working on some of my own projects, so I was working on travel itself. So travel, when it comes to travel, there are more majorly two parts. I think one is business travel, another is like leisure. So when it comes to business travel, I think business travel, if I talk about India, say US, Europe, China and maybe Japan, these were the places where people used to mostly travel. And these places are on top charts right now in infected cases. So I think business travel has already shifted their domains to WebEx and few other conferencing platforms. Like Skype is there, Zoom is there. So this will remain such, I think, for maybe coming 1 or 2 years. Because there are two advantages for that. One is like they won't have to cut on other resources. I think they can cut on these costs, I mean, right now, and then simultaneously keep their employees and everyone at on roll, I mean, like, so another reason. And how they can allocate their resources. Second is like, anyways, it was about to come, this digital area, I mean, and this COVID-19 has just catalyzed that process. And when it comes to leisure, I think first of all people will be avoiding. I think if I talk about only Shimla, so there are 2 seasons only जहाँ पे travel बहुत होता है. I think people come during winter snowfall time, and another is during summers when there are holidays in like metros like Delhi and Chandigarh. So I think summer 2020 is gone. There is no much travel. I think there is almost zero travel. Nobody is commuting right now. So 2020 is gone, and winters is also, I think there are cases of flu and those things. So I think winter 2020 will be also similar, I guess. And that depends on how sooner we grip the thing. I mean, how sooner we come back to the thing. इस केस में I think backyard travels, I think what I can say, like whatever you have in domestic area, because even if I say to myself, I think I haven't visited a lot of places in my backyard only. So maybe those will be the attractions right now, because international travel तो वैसे भी कम होगा अभी, and for leisure तो I think people themselves won't be traveling much, I think. So local travel might increase, I think. And in that also, I think brands like Decathlon, Columbia, and North Face, these kind of brands will be gaining a lot of momentum, I guess, like as it happened in case of business travel, like Skype and Zoom took the advantage. तो यहाँ पे because these guys, I think Decathlon and North Face and other brands, they do provide traveling gears. So people will prefer. I mean, again, this has been catalyzed. I think people were already inclined to these kind of travel, so this will be further catalyzed. So this is another thing, I think, and to get back the, I mean, customer confidence. So there is a huge responsibility, because when it comes to travel, there are two or three things. I mean, like first is stay is there, second is, I think, fooding is there, and third is commute. So I think what I can see is like till the point we don't have huge infrastructure like they are doing in China. I think right now they are checking everyone who is commuting, you know, for for infection or something like that. So we need to have 100% checkpoints. I mean, checking infrastructure where we can check the infected cases. And second way out is like if the death rate goes like down. I mean, like if it comes around 1 point, I mean point 1 or 0.2%, so then I think these things, I think then customer will be will be, I mean, it will be easier for like traveling agents and other parties to gain the customer trust back in these kind of circumstances. Because अभी होगा क्या, marketing बहुत ज़्यादा होगी, because market is slow and they can't remain like this forever. I mean, so marketing and sales में क्या होगा, there will be a lot of discounts will be there on travel, and those things will be coming up soon. काफ़ी जल्दी आएगा, and which is not wrong. I mean, they will have to do something, you know, but there will be huge responsibility on like customers as well as on service providers जो services दे रहे हैं, maybe travel के time पे maybe hotels are there, so they'll have to ramp up their this thing facilities, I think. And when it comes to like travel portals, they will have to check their listings, who all hotels or who all vendors are keeping the things up, I mean, like against the COVID war, who are like maintaining the hygiene, because these will be the few factors, hygiene and will be the major factor where people will eye on, you know, while they travel. So this is pretty much what I think. I think business travel will be low and leisure travel will be very much domestic, I think, very much localized. And I don't know, like, what do you guys think? Do let me know on comment. You can share or comment, I mean, whatever you feel like doing, you know. And do check your local backyard. I mean, there will be a lot of spots where you haven't gone, like for me also, like what I'm thinking of planning, and maybe in coming days when things get settled, so those will be areas where I'll be like maybe checking in. So guys, meanwhile, take care, bye bye.